So the first one that we are going to use will be the face anchor. Okay, so anchor means what you will use in the application, the AR application. So you click into the face. Then you will see this face, and this will be the face that you will use soon. Okay, and the task one that you are going to do will be making AR on your face. So let's see what happened. So basically, if you would like to check your products, you click the AR button. Then you will see that on your face, you can see the hello world. Okay, like this one. So now let's see what we are going to do. First, if you would like to add something on top of it, click this plus sign. And then you will see that in the content library, you will be able to see different shape. And then since we would like to make the glasses, you can just click this one to be one of the ring. So when you drag on this one, use one finger to touch it. If you touch the white color, you can actually change the location directly. However, if you want to be very accurate, you can just click this button here. Okay, the wheel here. This is like the setting, and you will see the transform. You can set the position by inputting the value, or if you would like to do it yourself, you can use the arrowhead, like the green arrow, and then the red arrow, or the blue arrow. See that? So you can just use this green arrow to control, okay, to control the distance, the length, is it here? So now I would like to make something like this, and then maybe you'll find out this is too large. How can you change it? You can just choose it from the scale. When you choose it like this, you can change it. And another method will be, now you see this green ring. If you just touch this green ring and then pull it outward, and you can make a larger circle. That means a larger ring. If you just pull it inward, then you got a smaller circle. Look here. Okay, so this is how you make a larger or smaller circle. And then, other than this, you can also see that, okay, this one is too large, then we make it smaller, and then we move it a little bit, cover it on top of the eye, and you can also check the distance. Okay, it is also fine. And then you can also adjust the thickness, okay, in the setting. So like diameter, you can change it like this one, and then for the thickness, you can change it like this. So I guess you can make your own wing. Okay, so if you make it and you will adjust it to make sure that this is something that you want, it's okay, yeah? And then you can also change the material. That means how it look like, how it could look like this one. You can also change the materials so you can see different shape, different materials, different size like this. And then once you have finished one wing, and then you just make another one. So maybe you can just choose it and then click the duplicate one. So identical one will be generate, and then you can just make a ring like this one. Then now for this one, you will see that it is like a ring, but there should be one connection point between them. So you can click the content library again, and this time maybe you'll find a cylinder like this one. Okay, drag it here, and now you'll find out this is so large, so maybe you make it smaller, and you'll find out the orientation is not correct because you want to make it like horizontal. So how to rotate it? See rotation here, and in fact, you need not make rotation by using number. You can also pick the item and then choose the direction. Okay, for example, this time I would like to rotate it horizontally. So the way that you're going to do the rotation, it is not pulling the wing outward or inward. Instead, you just move along the ring like this one. Okay, you move along it, then you can rotate it. So like this one, now you can rotate it. And then after you have done the rotation, move it back here, and then make sure that it is some correct orientation, and then you will also see it. Now you will also find out like this one, and then you can fine tune the location, fine tune everything. Okay, but no matter what, okay, you can just choose your own one. Okay, like just the size, like this one, and then makes everything seems consistent. Okay, so you can just move it a little bit. So you have to make a ring like this one, and then you make the glass like that, and then you have finished the glasses here. And next part will be you should make something on your nose. How can you make something on your nose? Just click the input again. Maybe you choose the sphere here this time, so you can click it here, and then now you got this, okay, a ball, and move it a little bit, and then you will see that the location seems not too good. Then you can adjust it yourself by using some observation like this one, and then you will see it like this. And maybe you can change the color as well. So you can also change the color. Maybe we change it to the red color like this one. Then you see something like this. It's like here. So you can also find out that, okay, there is one dialog like this. So you can double click on this one so that you see there will be the message. Okay, so this message, you will find out that, for example, you don't want to have something like hello world, you can actually change the message. Okay, you can change the message here. For example, you can say that, hello, I am Mr. An. Yeah, okay, like this. And you can also adjust it like this one, change the shape, change it like this, and then you have something like this. Okay, and you can also change the materials. That means how it look like this. So this is one of the tasks that you should have got, and then you have to make one more, which is about your mouth. So I will make something more for you if you're interested. But anyway, you know how to insert something, and then you know how to make it. And then when you hand in your homework, you should know it first. You see the button AR here, so click the AR, and then you will find out this is what you have. And then next one will be like, now you got this with you, and you are going to click the play button so that you got this one. Okay, so see it. And then next part will be you have to take a screen capture. So like this one. After you take the screen capture, then finish the first part. But for your homework, you need to do one more part, which is export the project. So when you export the whole part, and then just choose save to files. So once you save to files, here the name, please use your name, class, and class number. For example, you are from 2D, or for example, just like 35, and then maybe the name, so that I know who are you. And then this is task 1. Okay, this is the funny face. So when you hand in your homework, you need to hand in two components. First one will be the photo that you have taken. This is the first photo. And then second will be about your project, which means it is the project that you have. Okay, and then go to the folder and make sure that you know. Okay, so this is your homework. So let's see, iCal. Anyway, maybe here. Okay, this one will be the homework 2D35. So you have to submit this one in Google Classroom. So two homework for sorry, two components for one homework. Okay.